So it's the second to last day of December 2022. So just had my yearly shower that you usually do around this time, and now it's time for another yearly tradition, and that is polishing my tool, because it's dirty. So it's this one. It's kind of dusty and grimy all over. But this year I actually have a little trick up my sleeve, or actually two, because in the last video I got some comments saying I should just pop it in the dishwasher. Obviously, I'm not gonna throw my tools in with batteries and all the electronics. So I'm gonna take them apart. I'm just gonna throw the shells, the plastic shell, into the dishwasher and see if that helps. And I also have another trick up my sleeve. So all these rubbery plastic pieces, I'm gonna see if I can't shine them up and make them a little bit darker. Because I have a bottle of plastic wax used for cars and car tires and plastic details on cars, which I hope is gonna work really well. And since it's almost 2023, I have the day off, so let's just have some fun together and polish our tools. Yeah, let's go. So I think I'm gonna put him down here. Okay, gasket goes there. Perfect. So let's put one of these lovely snacks in here and get going. Power on. Let's do 1 hour and start. So this is the sawdust that was all caked up inside the machine. So I'm gonna take that away and I'm gonna see if I can't rub the whole thing down with a little bit of alcohol. So just finished cleaning the motor itself off camera because my battery died. The plastic cover is back from the dishwasher and it looks fantastic. It looks pretty much brand new on the inside. Everything is gone, all the caked up sawdust, all that. So it's time to use the car rubber black wax thing. So I tried this before and I gotta say I really enjoy having latex glove when rubbing a tool with a black wax thing, because otherwise you're gonna get it all over yourself and it's really tricky to get off. So latex gloves. I'm gonna rub it a little bit and then we're gonna assemble everything and hopefully I can get it all together again. And we're done! So, this is it. Turned out pretty okay, I would say. So, hopefully everything is in the right place. I guess we can just test it. So it works perfectly and looks really good. I'm really happy I did this because it had a lot of caked up sawdust. And as I said, I mean, it's New Year's, it's always nice to rub down your tool and make sure it's good to go for the next year. So yeah, that's it. See you next year.